scared the living crap out of me. Go across the road. And it's raining slightly. Right. We have a Doncaster due. Just head up to the barrier. See what we can see.
This is why I don't worship the ancients to be ancient. These guys don't fit an order 2 gigs with cores and 2 without. You lost your fucking life listening to that. Righty-ho.
That, if you're wondering, that is where the box was. There's Andrew. Hi! It's raining! I think we would have stayed we should have stayed at the station.
Don't pull until B19 anyway, we've gone 4 minutes early. 4 minutes.
Well, maybe our clocks are just fast, or slow, or whatever. So this is probably more like a million. Well, I don't get this because there's a short barrier, scent barrier, aka long barrier, short barrier, and these are like the same size.
Yeah, literally.
And then there's one small one.
Cord, teeny sod, God knows.
Andrew said to me before that this is probably 3:55 back to Doncaster.
This is too slow to tell. Looks really actually. Right, next week this will be filthy. There's one.
Is a 153 single. 153,383 to Doncaster. 153,383 to Doncaster. And there it goes. And that's it on the floor.